Happy Wednesday, April 15th. Shout out to my mom. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, mom. Any assignments for today that have changed? Big things for the day. Make sure you guys see in your lit circles. We tried to eliminate some of the questions in there, and it just did not happen for us to send that your direction. So we apologize if you answered some 8, 9 questions again today. Our goal is to get you to get about 4 or 5 questions done and have them complete and just real good questions of maybe 2, 3 sentences in length and not just one word answers. So we cut down your questions in half. Where you can find that is in Schoology now. In all 4 of these have the same thing. If I'm the Incredible Journey, I can click into there and I'll answer my questions now in April 14th through the 17th. So Incredible Journey here for the new chapters 6 through 8. If you did it already yesterday in here, that is completely okay too. But the goal is for you to have less questions, and that's where you'll find right in here. So if I'm in another group, say I am in refugee, my new ones will look like this, chapter 17 through 27, so week 14, the 14th through the 17th, and I'll just click right into there and have my questions for the week. Again, if you did them already yesterday in here, that's completely okay too. The goal is just for you to have those questions cut down. So that's the only thing that's new for your LITs. If you did your math yesterday, awesome, we appreciate it. Otherwise, try to catch up on that. You have 3 skills to do. It should roughly take you about 20 minutes a skill. And so you might have some time to work on that today if you need to. Otherwise, the new fun one in here for social science, you're going to first check out your score for the quiz 1 through 5 on Schoology. It'll send you your grade. Anyone can redo it no matter what. So make sure you're just using your notes only, nothing else. And you can resubmit it on there if you'd like to get some higher credit on that. Growth is the #1 thing, so make sure you guys are still improving and working hard to get at that. It's completely okay if you miss a couple questions. As you check out your score and feeling pretty good on that, you will watch now episode 6, Shot Heard Right Around the World. Uh, you can take notes as you watch because that'll help you with your quiz later, but this time you're not going to write a summary. You are going to write a tweet. I sent a video on how to do complete this right down below, and there'll also be the directions as well. So it says write a tweet, a note in Seesaw as a historical figure, or about one as a fictional character like James or Sarah or Moses from this episode, and get creative. So you can watch that video to see how to do it, and then if you click into write a tweet, you can have directions on more specific directions on how to do it as well if the video doesn't make sense. So we hope to see some really cool creative ones. You'll post those right into Seesaw, and that'll be your work for the day. Good luck.